Hello friends, welcome back to Gruhinis world. Sometimes we get creative and try out few recipes which we might not have heard about. Today I am going to show you one of such recipes which I have tried with prawns with a spicy and tangy masala, and this is one of my most successful experiments which my entire family enjoyed a lot. So let's get started. Friends, let's prepare spicy and tangy masala. I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of Methi Seeds, 5 Kashmiri Red Chillies, roasting them on low flame for 1 minute. Roasted well. Now I am switching off the flame. Let's cool them for couple of minutes and then transfer into mixer jar. Next we are adding 10 garlic pods, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon Amchur or dry mango powder, handful of curry leaves and 2 small tomatoes chopped into pieces. Now let's grind everything into smooth paste. Our spicy and tangy masala is now ready. Let's keep this aside for now and start our gravy preparation. I am adding 3 tablespoons of oil. Oil is hot. And let's add 1 small onion chopped into small pieces. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 green chilies. Frying 2 minutes on medium flame until onions are little crisper and brown. Onions are well fried. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of chili powder for medium spice. You can adjust spice level according to your taste. Let's cook for 1 minute on low flame. Here I am adding 500 grams of prawns. We need to fry prawns on medium to high flame for at least 5 minutes to make them soft and juicy. Friends, let me quickly tell you something. I have also tried the same recipe with egg, which also tastes amazing. You can find recipe link in the suggestion card above or in the description box below. After 5 minutes, prawns are well roasted. Now let's add our spicy and tangy masala. Mix well. And we need to cook masala for 2 minutes on low flame until little oil oozes out and raw flavor is gone. We can see that little oil is oozing out. Now let's add half tablespoon salt and mix again. Make sure we maintain low flame to avoid burning of masala. Now let's add 1.5 cups of water for nice gravy consistency. Let's mix everything well. Next we need to check salt, and we can adjust according to our taste. Water has started boiling. Now let's close with the lid and cook 15 minutes on medium flame. Friends, we need to check in between to avoid burning in the bottom. After 15 minutes, gravy is thick and nice consistency, and also prawns are so juicy and soft. Now let's add our final and key ingredient, half medium size lemon juice. You can adjust lemon according to your tangy taste. Now let's garnish with coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Friends, you can see how delicious it looks, and I'm sure it tastes as amazing as it looks. This recipe has become one of our regular dishes and we enjoy it very much every time we make. This goes pretty well with rice, roti, paratha or even dosa. I hope you will try this recipe and let me know how you feel about it. If you like our videos, please do like, share and subscribe Gruhinis World, and don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.